In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recipe to MyFitnessPal. First, launch the MyFitnessPal app on your device. You will see the familiar home screen with various options. This is your starting point for adding a recipe. Make sure you are logged into your account to ensure that your data is saved correctly. If you encounter any issues launching the app, try restarting your device. This little step ensures everything is running smoothly, which is crucial for a seamless experience. Once that is done, tap the More menu button, which looks like three dots located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This button opens up additional options that are not immediately visible on the home screen. You will notice a list of features and settings available to you. Taking this step is important because it leads you to the recipe management section where you can create and customize your recipes. From there, select My Meals, Recipes and Foods from the menu list. This option will take you to a dedicated section for all your culinary entries. Here you can view any existing recipes you may have, as well as access functions to add new ones. Knowing where to find this option is essential for effective meal tracking and planning. It sets the stage for the next steps in the recipe creation process. Now tap Create a Recipe, which is located at the bottom of the screen. This is where the fun begins as you start the creation of your new recipe. When you tap this option, you will see choices for how to input your recipe details. This step is critical because it initiates the recipe-making process, allowing you to personalize your meals according to your dietary needs. Next, you will choose your insertion method. You have two options here: add from web or enter ingredients manually. If you choose to add from the web, you can paste a URL that contains your recipe, allowing the app to automatically scan and import the ingredients for you. This feature saves you a lot of time, especially if you are pulling from a well-documented recipe site. If you prefer to enter ingredients manually, type your recipe name first, then set the total servings for your dish. After that, type out your ingredients one by one. This method gives you complete control over the details of your recipe. You will see a space for each ingredient, making it easy to organize and visualize what you need. This custom approach ensures accuracy based on your personal preferences. After entering your ingredients, review and adjust the matched ingredients to ensure the weights and brands are accurate. This is a vital step because accurate ingredient details affect nutritional calculations and serving sizes. Take a moment to double-check each entry and make any necessary corrections. You want to ensure that what you're logging reflects the true content of your meals. Finally, tap Save or Save and Log It to finalize the recipe in your diary. This last step is essential to make sure all your hard work is stored properly. When you tap this button, you will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your recipe has been successfully added. Congratulations! You have just created a new recipe in MyFitnessPal, enhancing your meal planning and tracking capabilities. With these steps, you now have the knowledge to add your recipes seamlessly. Your journey toward better nutrition tracking and meal management begins here. Enjoy exploring new recipes and making healthier choices.